Ben's like, look at it! I gotta get him on that one.
Good. Yeah, Ryan was looking a little terrorized there midway down. He was looking like he didn't want to be there. And then Ben got totally swamped.
You got it.
Man, we can't keep going.
Good job, guys.
Huh?
Good job.
Doesn't that look cool?
It did. Ryan looked a bit terrorized about midway down. And
Ben or all of us?
then Ben was just totally swamped. He was submerged at the bottom.
I feel like I'm going to get squished by all of us. I couldn't see him. I thought it was Joe's head. Full of water. When it hit, it would stop and the rest would keep going. Yeah! We don't move like straight up.